Fujiwara is the Vantaggio, which is great.
Oh, hello guys! Today, what about
Ngayon,
this?
si Bristol naglabas ng bagong classic type na scooter na mas mababa pa yung presyo, pero yung looks talagang hindi na luma at mas ma-afford ng nakararami na trip yung mga
Here are the
classic type
stickers,
motorcycles. But at the same time,
instructions,
hindi naman magpapahuli pagdating sa kanyang
to the
function and
cards.
features. Ang presyo nito mga brother is just
map
98,800 as an
is-
introductory price. So, eventually, pwedeng tumaas yan. Kaya hanggang naka-introductory price pa, let's see what this bike has to
Wow,
offer.
look at all
Para
this
malaman natin
color.
kung sulit talaga.
So
Tingnan natin.
colorful.
Pag-usapan muna natin yung forma niya.
Very
Unang
good.
tingin,
I'm
alam mo
not
boy, looker talaga to. Kung baga
There's
ginamit
also
sa
a
ibang
face
mga
press and a
basilica that was
balance,
available during the
cavity
test ride,
cut, and a
napapatingin
kitty
talaga yung mga tao.
cut.
Pero i-detalye natin yung forma nito. Mapapansin mo, if you're looking at it from the front, nakikita mo malapad agad yung fairing siya. Wala itong mga setseboretching mga design, but napaka-premium ng paint finish niya. Lalo, ito yung paborito kong kulay, the gray and the yellow version. Ang ganda ng pagka-matte gray niya. Yung finish, alam mong premium yung pagka-detail sa kanya. We have the Vespucci badge nandito. Again, this is under the Vespucci lineup, classic scooter lineup ng Bristol Motorcycles. Abangan nyo din mga iba pang ma-release under this lineup. Yung Bristol branding, ang ganda. Embossed, silver-plated. Pagdating naman dito, gaya na sabi natin, malapad yung front fairings. Ito medyo pa-diagonal with accent na rin dito and ang lapad ng kanyang front fender. Actually, meron parang dito parang palong. Meron ba tong purpose pagdating sa aerodynamics? Hindi ko sure. Comment yung mga brother. Pero dito, pag-add siya ng accent sa motor. No? Tapos, sa taas, round, huge headlight. Kumbaga ano siya, for tuning talaga siya na kita-kita mo talaga na naka-embossed or nakaangat yung ilaw niya na ganyan. Yung parang mga old school scooters talaga. Nagustuhan ko rin yung fact na yung signal lights niya nandito na sa kanyang handlebar assembly. So wala ka ng mga nakalawit ng mga signal light or anything like that. Kumbaga, yung design niya, na-maintain niya yung mga linya, yung mga accent of this being a classic scooter. Pagdating naman sa gilid, actually specific dito sa motor na to, nagustuhan ko talaga yung combination. Ito, ang ganda nito yung matte gray and then yung bright parang bumblebee type na yellow. May accent pa siya dito. This is more of a rubber footrest na may purpose tayo dito para hindi dumidilas yung pamo. Pero gumanda yung pagkakalagay niya, yung accent niya, dahil nga parang bumblebee type yellow with black accent combined with a matte gray color. Ang tingkad ng dating niya dito, pero if you're looking at it from the outside naman, ang subtle. So you have a combination of loud and discreet. You put it together, elegante naman. Lumalabas naman. On the side, malaki yung kita nito yung usual na nakikita natin sa mga classic scooters, even almost the same as that of the Vantaggio. Pero ito, ginawa nila clear surface with chrome finishing naman dito sa side na ito. Tapos maintaining that excellent paint finish all the way back to it. Nakahangap na dito sa gilid niya, matte gray. Tapos sa likod naman niya, yung linyahan niya pang ba dito, solid yellow with the tail assembly breaking the color lines. Ganda, so sino na nag-design na dito, hindi ito minagalit. Gusto ko yung linya, yung color combination, even the branding. So, yung basigan na ka-emboss dito. And then, we have the signal lights dito. Napansin ko yung mga ilaw na, yung mga turn signals, yung mga tail assembly. It's embedded into the whole line of the motorcycle. Kumbaga, it's built in properly. Kaya yung forma niya na pagka-classic scooter, hindi awkward. Yung classic na classic. Basta, maganda. Pagdating sa makina, this house has 1.5cc engine, 4-stroke, 2-valve, single overhead cam. Here in the result, it can actually produce 9.1 horsepower at 7,500 at the torque naman is 9.5 Nm of torque at 6,000 RPM. So, we're expecting this motorcycle to have a good acceleration, good punch. Again, pagdating, especially for comparing sa mga classic 125 scooters na meron tayo sa Pilipinas. Hindi inaasahan natin dito. I won't dwell much into the engine performance dahil ito ay hindi ko pa naman i-ride ako naman sa mga susunod natin na video dahil ito ay unit ni Motochangi PH. Motochangi PH is actually selling this motorcycle brand new to mga brother. So check out nila Motochangi PH if you want to avail the Bristol Pacifica 125. But nonetheless, more to come on the engine. Pero in terms of the specs, in terms of sa paper specifications niya, looks like this will give out peak power, especially for city riding or what really just going around the city other kilometers. And siguro ang isa sa mga standout dito sa motor na to is according to Bristol, you can get as much as 50 kilometers per liter, 50 kilometers sa isang litro. Napakatipid nun, 125cc tapos ganun katipid. Excited tayo mag-ride. Isa man tayo mga brother, what we have dito sa Basilica 125 is at the front, we have single disc brake, pagkalipat na rin yan. Tapos drum brake naman sa likod. Yung braking system na to, ito na yung tinatawag na combined braking system. Para sa mga hindi pa familiar sa combined braking system or CBS, ito yung kapag na-preno tayo ng rear, ito, kaliwa. Kapag yan ay nabigla o kaya more than 50% na yung pag-press natin sa brake ang gagawin ng braking system yan is mag-brake na rin yung harap na disc brake natin. So, bali ang nangyayari, the braking system balances the distribution ng braking sa rear at saka sa front kahit na itong left lever or rear brake lock yung napindot mo. So, mas okay yun, lalo-lalo na pagdating sa emergency, nakapreno ka, hindi ka
Di ko po alam.
preno mo rin naman sa harap. The motorcycle will do that for you dahil nga it distributes the braking power to both the front and the rear. We're going to suspension as well. Dito telescopic fork. Hindi ito yung mga malapad o malayo yung appearance dun sa front fender to the fairings kasi hindi naman ito yung mga pang-adventure scooter. Again, this is more of a daily commute urban riding and style riding na rin. Yun yung gamit niya. So,
bagong araw, bagong tama raw.
The high levels of driving performance are made possible through the adoption of numerous new mechanisms.
Toyota used to be ahead of its time.
Sasakyan pa rin.
Imagine pulling into a charging station, plugging in your
Ano
electric
yan,
car,
yung mga
grabbing a
hybrid
quick
na
coffee,
Di ko po alam kasi nag-block na.
Ha?
Nag-block na. Nag-block na yung way. Nag-block na yung way.
Bakit na-block na?
Kasi nag-block na siya. Kaya,
rapidly evolving electric
ako
vehicles landscape. And car manufacturers are vying to offer longer ranges and quicker charging times. Toyota is advancing its offerings. Their newly unveiled battery technology isn't just a vibe hardware, it's a complete game changer for how we receive EVs. With plans to roll out these batteries by 20.
Ganda sa promote PH, yung mababa yung presyohan niya.
ha? Siwa naman. Ba yan siwa?
Baka pag natin yung sa bagong
It's another wonderful day, guys. Nandito tayo sa stockyard ng Security Bank. Pinuntahan din natin sa stockyard ng PS Bank para i-attend sa inyo ang 100
Tata, can you make super agent
markdown cars. And on
Can you make
sale
super
cars
agent?
on
What?
sale
Can
this
you make super
week,
agent?
January 2025. May feature tayo ngayon, guys. Na Nissan Patrol, yung mga gusto mo na-upgrade dyan. Ang Nissan Terra, the Nissan Patrol. Available yan this week.
Ay,
From Toyota Fortuner to Toyota Land Cruiser, available yan this week. Meron ding 100 plus 1,000 lang na 2019 automatic car.
Mama, tatay, it's too heavy naman.